In this video, you'll learn how to set up your coding environment that we'll be using for this course. Now we're going to be using CodePen, which is an online text editor. You can see you have your HTML, your CSS, and your JavaScript section. For this course, we will not be using the JavaScript. For later courses, we will be. Now CodePen is an amazing tool to use for development because you can create things on the fly instead of having to switch from Sublime, your text editor, to your browser and refreshing, which takes time. So I can show you an example of that right now. Let's go to New Pen, and we'll make our infamous Hello World. Hello World. And there you go. We made our first web page in less than 5 seconds. So what I'm going to do now is get you set up on CodePen. So I'm going to open a Safari because my information is not saved on this browser. So just go to CodePen. Go to sign up. Then at the bottom there'll be a free option. And then you'll just enter your information or use your GitHub account, which I use my GitHub account. And then once you're set up, you'll have something like this. And that's it. So in this video, you set up your coding environment. Now we can just jump into making websites right away. So let's do it.